Mainit-init na balita ito. Bago lang, kalalabas lang, no? Breaking news, no? Supreme Court no impeachment trial versus VP Sara Duterte. Wala na. Pakinggan natin, ano?
The Supreme Court says the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte are barred by
Barred.
the one-year rule. Adrian, any
Dahil sa one-year rule.
Adrian, go ahead.
Hi, Michelle. There will be no impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte. That is the essentially the summary of the press
Dami na
conference
naman iiyak
held
nito.
by Supreme Court spokesperson Attorney Camille Ting. Ting said in her press con this afternoon that the Supreme Court and bank had a unanimous decision.
Ay, yung mga ano, sila Franz Castro.
Vice President Duterte unconstitutional. It is barred.
Silang
by
mga
the
naghain
one-year
nito, di ba?
rule and
Naghain ng complaint. Franz Castro, sila Luis Tro. Sino pa nga ba yung isang ano? Sila Raul Manuel. Ayan, sila yan eh. Sila ang nag-ano nito eh, hahain ng complaint, no?
Again, this concerns the first three impeachment complaints filed against the Vice President. Ting said that these first three complaints were archived and
Hindi mag-ano na lang uli sila, mag-file uli sila next year. Kasi 1 year rule, valid daw sa 1 year rule. At saka sinabi rito, unconstitutional.
The decision was unanimous. Ting said
Unanimous.
that Associate Justice Alfredo Fagiwa inhibited and Associate Justice Maria Filomena Singh is on official leave. The Supreme Court decision was penned by Senior Associate Justice Marvic Leonen. Ting said the full copy of the decision will be uploaded on the Supreme Court website.
Supreme Court na nag-decide eh.
If Attorney Ting announced the decision of the ANBANC is immediately executory or to be announced if this is already the dead end as far as the House of Representatives is concerned. And Ting said they can always file a motion for reconsideration. But as of now, she said that the Supreme Court ANBANC decision against the impeachment trial is immediately executory. Also, one last thing, Ting said that the court is not absolving VP Sara. This decision of the court only concerns the 1-year bar against another impeachment, a second impeachment complaint.
Never miss a story. Unlock exclusive access to uninterrupted streaming.
So yun na nga. Wala na. Wala nang Supreme Court na kasi nag-decide eh. So hindi na matutuloy yung impeachment. So gawin na lang nila Castro, nila Luis Tro, nila Raul Manuel. Mag-file ulit sila next year. Yun ang pagka Supreme Court na, di ba? Wala na silang ano diyan. Wala na silang magagawa. Talagang hindi na matutuloy. Yan pala isa sa mga mainit na balita ngayon, no? Tungkol diyan sa impeachment na inihain ng mga kongresista laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa aking maliit na channel. Pagpalain nawang bawat isa. God bless everyone.